right, so I'm gonna try to record. Never done this before, because I'm trying to start something new and figure out how to film myself and do all that stuff, because I'm super anal retentive and critical of myself, and I'm sure I will judge myself after I watch this back. But I just want to say that I'm starting this channel because, well, in all honesty, I've been on a rebuilding journey in my life for, well, as long as I can remember. And I feel like I've been knocked down so many times that I have felt debilitated and lost and absolutely pummeled when it comes to having any confidence in myself. I have very low self-esteem. Well, I'm getting past that. I'm rebuilding, right? So I will say that in past tense, I've had very low self-esteem. And for someone like myself that has so many amazing, wonderful things in my life that I'm so grateful for, I, at the same time, have suffered in silence. And I finally decided to put myself out there. And here I am on YouTube doing that very thing. I do have a story to share. I do have a great deal of love in my heart. And I want to be able to connect with people who are also feeling feelings of doubt, lacking self-confidence. And I want to help you rebuild that. I'm going to come on this journey that I've taken in figuring that out, because it hasn't been easy. I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat things. That's not the kind of person I am. And I'm going to put it out there. And I welcome you all to join me on that journey. And my only hope is that you find that strength from within, that you feel loved, and know that I'm here to support you. And that, as cliche as it sounds, you're not alone. This world can be super lonely and eat you up and suck you into that spiraling dark hole. But in all honesty, there is light there. There is a light that you have inside that has dwindled, has been extinguished, but I assure you, it's there, and you just need that little spark. And I want to be that spark for you. Lots of love, and stay tuned.